Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Future. I'm Charan. I have total 7 plus years of experience in data engineering and big data tech stack. This is a part of our SQL interview series where we tackle the most frequently asked SQL question with hands-on demos. Let's see our today's interview question. Given a table called student with the following columns: student ID, student name, branch, and email ID. We want to mask the email ID in the students table. Here we can see the example. This is the complete email ID, and here we need to mask a piece of the text from the email ID. Let's see how to write a SQL query for this. Here I have already created a table called student. I'll execute this. And here we can see student ID, student name, branch, and email ID. Now I need to mask this email ID. Let's see how to write a SQL query for this. First, I'll write a SQL logic, then I'll explain. Concat. So I'll mask with star. And here I'll use substring. And the column is email ID. And I'll also use locate function, and I'll just try to pick it from @email ID column. Okay, I'll close this as mask email ID. Okay, so this is a simple logic how to mask the email ID. So here we can see I'm using concat. Concat will help us to combine the string. Okay, this is the first part of the string, and the second part will get it from here. Okay, what this substring will do? Substring will help us to extract a piece of the text from a larger string at a specific position. Okay, so it will help us to extract the piece of the information from this particular email ID. Okay, so this locate will find the position of a character. Okay, here it is just trying to it will be getting only the information after the @ okay, so here in this email ID it will give only @gmail.com, and here @gmail.com. Here it will be give @company.com, here @gmail.com. Okay, and after that, so what it will do, it will concat the first part and the second part. So let's execute this query. Here you can see this is the masked email ID. So the first part of the email ID is completely star, and the second part will be as it is. Okay, that's all from my side. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to Data Future YouTube channel.